Speaker, I have a statement on the decentralization of medical assessment services for persons with disability. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare on a matter of national concern regarding the decentralization of medical assessment services for persons with disabilities. Mr. Speaker, sir, despite digitization of the application process, the mandatory requirement for medical assessment report from designated health facilities remain a major obstacle, particularly for PWDs in rural areas and those with severe physical disabilities. The high costs of mobility and logistical challenges have excluded many from accessing certificates, thereby denying them critical benefits such as assistive devices, educational support, tax reliefs, and social protection programs. In the statement, the committee should address the following. 1, the county level figures vis-a-vis the national registered number of persons with disabilities in each county and the steps being taken to bridge the gap in statistics, including specific details on the following. A, any joint effort between the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection, the National Council for Persons with Disabilities, and other government institutions to decentralize and bring medical assessment services closer to PWDs, particularly in rural and marginalized areas. B, efforts by the government to undertake periodic outreach programs to facilitate medical assessment for PWDs, especially those with mobility challenges in underserved, far-flung areas, and strategies to establish permanent medical assessment centers in the said areas, and the steps being taken to simplify the registration process for PWDs. Secondly, the measures to ensure that no PWD is denied access to government incentives and reliefs accruing from PWDs for failure to obtain disability certificate, particularly where they have faced apparent challenges in the registration process. Thank you, Speaker.